Alright, in this video I'm going to try to capture the noise that I hear when I first start driving. Usually it goes away after I've been driving for like 2 or 3 minutes. Usually after I leave my suburb, and the sound just goes away, but it is pretty loud, it's pretty noticeable. It's kind of like a knocking noise. I think it sounds like I've got a flat spot on one of my tires, but let's see if we can hear it. Yeah, my street sucks. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear it now. I wonder if it's getting on the video. Sounds like it happens like a few times a second, like doom, 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 doom. And that is not me going over any bumps. This is a smooth road right now. But I can hear it knock. It's like a knocking noise. Try to put the camera down there. Alright, well, hopefully you can hear that on the video.